Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, now I'll shift to the gold market. The gold market situation is very interesting and promising for the scalp trading. Especially this could be fascinating on this short week, since we do not have a lot of trading sessions on the current week due to the holiday in the United States. And in fact, here we have the nice setup for Napoli directional bread butter sell opportunity, bread butter sell trade, because what we have downward thrust with this butterfly, completing of some ABCD target, hitting of the 1618 extension is a bit overextended of the market to the downside. We have discussed it on the previous week, and some reasonable bounce to the upside. Well, as this situation is very similar to the situation on the euro currency, but there are some differences, especially with this thrust, since euro currency has insufficient thrust for treating it as potential for bread and butter trade. But here on the gold market we have the sufficient number of bars, although there are the minimum required numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minimum number of required trading sessions starting with the retracement. Now you could see that market now stands above the 3x3, so that potentially could be the first close above this green line, and bread and butter trade suggests that market should hit within the 3 sessions above the 3x3 moving average some significant resistance area. So I prefer to see the reaching of that level, this area, because that is untouched monthly pivot point. Here is the weekly pivot resistance 1, and slightly higher the 618 resistance. So I'm not sure that market will hit the 618, but gold market likes to show deep retracements and it likes to retest the previous lows. Well, that also the previous low, so I probably will be focused on in the area between the 50% resistance around 1290 area and 618 resistance 1310 area. Somewhere in this area we should search the possibility for entering short on the intraday charts. Maybe some retracement, some reversal patterns will be formed here, maybe butterfly, maybe head and shoulders, some sort of 3-drive sell, it's housed in wedge pattern or something of that sort should be appeared in this area. But that's typical for development of the bear trend when the market retraces right to the weekly pivot resistance 1 until weekly pivot resistance 1 holds the retracement. We could say that downward direction, downward trend intact, stands intact. If market will break through this area, that will be the problems for the bear setup. But until market stands below it, it's okay. The target of this potential bread and butter sell will be the 618 support of the whole opposite move, whole move to the upside. So now our task is to do not miss the opportunity to enter short with some reversal pattern that could be formed on the intraday charts. And personally, as I said and as I explained, I think that we should keep an eye on this area around 1290 area, somewhere in this area. Market should form here, because this level is a bit too close level. Maybe on intraday chart we could get some kind of the inside of the ABC action, since market now stands at the resistance around 1261. You can see that is the first resistance area, thread resistance. Well, since market just has hit this area, I just do not want, I can't say that's also the possible that the market could start the bread and butter right from this area, because this is the 3.8 to also the major resistance, and market, if it reach this area with the first close right above the 3x3, well, this also could be the case. The market will start retracement right from that area. But following the some habits from the gold market that it really likes to show some extended retracement. I think that the minimum level that we should be watching for is the 50% also, but I can't exclude that market even could proceed to the 1310 area. So that's my just thought based on the nature of the gold market, on its habits, and that's like to show the deep retracement. Unfortunately, on the intraday charts, I do not see currently any clues on the 4-hour time frame. In fact, trend holds bullish. That is our pattern that we have traded yesterday, on Friday, and so the railroad track has been formed here. Market shows now some V reversal. That is not very typical for markets. Maybe market will form some small retracement and continue move higher to the 1310 area. I do not know before we take a short position, but currently I do not see any reversal patterns just yet here. On the hourly time frame, well, here are some signs of the Houston exists, as you can see. Although we have expected some deeper retracement right here, but we haven't got it. Since market has shown some very small retracement. That was, by the way, the 1618 target of this A, B, C banner pattern, and that also was the weekly pivot point. Market now has exceeded it, so that's why the continuation to the weekly pivot resistance one is very logical here. Well, here we see some Houston signs, bearish divergence. This potentially could be the stop grabber pattern. Well, let's keep an eye on them, but nothing, no pattern still formed here. So that's why currently it's a bit early to take into consideration hourly charts, since no, I do not see any clues that could help us to estimate whether the market will continue move right to the 1290, 1310 area, or it will start retracement down right from this level. But as it move above the weekly pivot point, well, market probably could retest this level of the weekly pivot points right here and continue move higher. That is possible here. But my thought is that very probably the market will show another trading session to the upside before any retracement will start. Anyway, on the gold market, this setup is very useful, and it carries the significant probabilities of the success, since this is the directional dreadnought trade that based mostly on the momentum and nature of the market. And it's worth of our attention. So let's see how it will develop, but my thought is, I think that we should get the triggering pattern for short entry somewhere not earlier than the 1290 areas, I suppose. But be sensitive for any signs that market could give us, because this is, as I said, short week and anything could happen. Maybe market will behave a bit different due to the lack of traders on the current week, since market will be thin. Let's see. But this setup is really significant, and as I said, is really worth of our attention.